Hey ladies, welcome to the channel. Today we're going over 5 travel beauty hacks every woman should know. You'll learn how to simplify your beauty routine and still look amazing while traveling. Let's dive right in. 1. Pack multi-use products. One of my favorite travel beauty hacks is to pack products that can be used in more than one way. A BB or CC cream with SPF is a great example. It's basically like a tinted moisturizer that provides coverage and sun protection. And the best part is many BB creams already contain SPF, so you don't have to pack an additional sunscreen. Another great option is a lip and cheek tint. These usually come in a small tube like this and can be used to add a pop of color to both your lips and cheeks. A solid highlighter that can also be used as an eyeshadow is another great multi-use product to have in your travel bag. This can help you achieve a quick and easy makeup look in no time. 2. Use a TSA-friendly beauty bag. There are several ways to stay organized when it comes to packing your beauty products. My personal favorite is using a solid shampoo and conditioner bar like this one from a well-known brand. This is a great alternative to traditional liquid shampoo and conditioner. Just wet your hair and massage the shampoo bar into your scalp for a few minutes. Then rinse and finish off with the conditioner bar. For any other liquids like skincare products, consider transferring them into these refillable mini bottles. They're reusable and perfect for travel. If you're tight on space, try putting all your beauty products in a clear zip pouch or reusable silicone bags. This will help you see everything at once and make it easier to find what you need. 3. Do an in-flight glow. While you're on the plane, take this time to refresh and pamper yourself a bit. A hydrating mist is a great way to start. This one from a well-known brand is alcohol-free and perfect for sensitive skin. It's great to use before and after a long flight to help your skin feel hydrated and refreshed. Next, consider adding under-eye masks to your in-flight routine. These can help reduce puffiness and help you look more refreshed when you land. Lastly, apply a facial oil or balm to help combat the dry cabin air. This can help prevent your skin from getting too dry and help you feel pampered during your flight. 4. Pack a minimalist makeup kit. When it comes to makeup, it's important to keep it simple when traveling. You don't want to end up with a bag full of products that you never use. A travel-sized mascara is a must-have for any trip. This one from a well-known brand is my go-to. It's compact and won't take up much space in your bag. Next, bring along a dual-ended brow plus liner pencil like this one from a well-known brand. This will help fill in your brows and define your face. Last but not least, a compact mirror palette with a 3-in-1 function is a great addition to any travel makeup kit. Not only does it have a built-in compact mirror, but it also has a light reflecting powder, a concealer, and a foundation. And 5. Pack smart by destination. When packing your beauty products, consider your destination and the climate you'll be traveling to. If you're headed to a humid climate, be sure to pack an SPF and an anti-frizz product. If you're headed to a dry climate, consider bringing along rich creams and hydrating masks to combat the dry air. So there you have it, 5 travel beauty hacks every woman should know. Now, you'll be able to simplify your beauty routine and still look amazing while traveling. Don't forget to drop a comment below with your best travel beauty tip. We'd love to hear from you. And for more travel hacks, tips, and tricks, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Happy travels!